Hi guys, a very good morning. Mamuka say, Mamuka say, Mamuka say. So according to ZimI, President Nelson Chamisa, the leader of the opposition, Triple C, has decided to field his record legislators and the councillors as independent candidates. So these candidates are filing their papers to contest the February 3 by-elections. So this is something very important in Zimbabwe. So the decision will counter threats to further recall by self-proclaimed Secretary General Sengezo Tshabangu. The nomination court will sit tomorrow to confirm candidates that will contest in 6 constituencies that fell vacant following the recalls of CCC legislators by Tshabangu. The 6 constituencies that will hold by-elections are Pelandaba, Goromonzi South, Seke, Chegutu West, Zvimba East, and Mkoba North. The nomination court will sit at a trade gold building in Bulawayo, Marondra Magistrates Court, Chinhoyi Magistrates Court, and Gweru Magistrates Court. Last week, the country held by-elections to fill other vacant seats, but record Triple C members were barred from contesting the polls after Tshabangu approached the High Court challenging their participation. So this is what Nelson Chamisa has done, and this is a good move. So we are going to wait for today to see how it is going to end so that we know what is next for President Nelson Chamisa and his team. So there are so many avenues to make sure that he defends the democratic space. At this moment in time, there is need for him to have MPs in parliament. There is no need for him to withdraw. However, even if that decision is to be made to withdraw, there are certain elements who are not willing and ready to withdraw because of shifted allegiance, because of selfishness, because of different agendas. People are in parliament for various agendas, different agendas, and you see that it is going to be very difficult for President Nelson Chamisa to actually control such people or such characters. These are people who take his benevolence for granted, his quietness, his softness for granted, and they continue abusing him. So change is about to come to the nation of Zimbabwe, but we have a lot of hindrances, hiccups, which are happening in the political cycles, especially the opposition, where we have some people who feel entitled to everything, and it's a matter of kana zvisina kuitwa my own way, then hazvitoitwi, kana ndisirini, then no one else, and that is a very bad mentality. But let us watch what is going to happen today and see